Hi friends, it's Amber and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I am here to share with you my 2025 craft fair and all the items I made for it. As you know, I did not have time this year to do a craft fair series and do tutorials on every item, but I definitely wanted to share all the items we made and go over the craft fair display and the tour of all of our booths. So I'm so glad you're here and I hope that you enjoy this. I'm going to go into detail for every item we made. We did have a lot of fun crafting and I'm so grateful that I got to do a craft fair with my mom and sisters again. This is a tradition I'll never give up. And next year, trust me, I'm back in full swing with my craft fair series and we'll get started nice and early. So thank you for bearing with me this year. I promised that I would show my entire craft fair and all the things we made. And I can do some tutorials if you guys would like during the Christmas season now that craft fair craziness is over, for us anyways. But I can do some tutorials on some of the newer things we made if you'd like. And just comment below if you'd like that. And you can even do these for little Christmas gifts or stocking stuffers. So I hope that you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into each item that we made for this year's craft fair. So first up are these cute little $1 items. All we did was get my stash, and it's a big stash, of all my cute glitter pens, glitter pencils, Christmas pencils, and I had these cute like holographic bags with the little zip seals, and we got all my erasers out and we just bagged them up, and it's all brand new stuff. So that was really fun. Next up are Christmas cards, and I wasn't able to make any this year, but my sister Bree made such cute cards with a lot of the Michaels paper pads and some Christmas paper from some Echo Park collections, and I thought they turned out so cute. So here they are, and we packaged them up in the clear bags, and she used die cuts that we had. I think they were super cute, and people always want Christmas cards, handmade Christmas cards at craft fairs. So they turned out really good, and she made some cute little girly ones with pink, and I just thought they turned out really cute. Next up is a new item, and these are holiday treat cups. So what these are is 2 of those cute decorative coffee cups that you can get with the sleeves. We got ours from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. We made fall ones with tea. It's kind of like a tea for 2 situation. We made coffee ones with fall themed, and then we made Christmas themed ones with like the Biscoff cookies and coffee and hot cocoa. And then we made these book ones that are like for like a book lover with some tea and the little honey sticks. So they're so easy and self-explanatory. And then we got these cellophane bags with like the flat gusset on the bottom from Amazon, and I'll link them below. Next up are the half composition books that I altered, and I just called them Christmas notebooks. These were so fun, and we just crafted all night and made a bunch of these. And I added some cute pom-pom trim and rickrack to the side. And inside, I lined it also with a little pocket and put some goodies on the inside, just like die cuts, because I kind of see these as little Christmas junk journals to where somebody can take them and glue in the little die cuts and make their own junk journal. So those were a lot of fun to make. I have so many of these half composition books in my stash, so it just makes me want to make a lot more. So this is probably my favorite item of the craft fair, the Christmas journals. And I used some cute trim and scrapbook paper. And then, of course, these are the full-size composition books. And I got the idea to do the duct tape on the spine to cover like the black vinyl from Thrifty Day Leah. She's here on YouTube. And also Rebecca Hoot here on YouTube. So I'll link both of their channels below. They make the cutest altered composition books. So I haven't made these for a craft fair in a while, and I was so excited to bring them back, and they were super popular. So these are super popular every year. We made our cozy packs, and they did really well. So we just used the cute fuzzy socks and tea and cocoa, and we do the popcorn with the Dollar Tree popcorn bags around it to make it look festive. And then, of course, the iconic full-size candy bar that I think is the selling point on these things. They're so much fun and always super popular. And the cute little snowman tree and gingerbread and Santa marshmallows are from Walmart. And once again this year, the star of the craft fair are our blind date with a book. We did a beautiful rom-com edition this year, and we had so many brand new, trendy, current, beautiful books, and with like popular authors. We hardly had any duplicates. Oh my goodness. And I got to use all my cute wrapping paper that I've been hoarding. And we put in so many cute things: bookmarks, notepads, book logs, highlighters, annotating pens, the little stickies. We had book paper clips and quotes and stickers. And we used all the cute wrapping paper. We included tea in there. So the customers really loved these, and I had so much fun with them. I think it's my favorite edition of these books that we've ever done. We did a simplified version of our hot cocoa packs. I think they turned out so cute. We used curling ribbon and cute little peppermint sticks and different hot cocoa packs. And then we just used like some clear bags and those stickers from Hobby Lobby that are so adorable. They look like little hot cocoa mugs, and they're like a foam sticker. And then some scrapbook paper, and they turned out so cute. My sister made these ones, and she did such a good job. I think she made like 60 of them. We know that people love these for stocking stuffers, and we did a mixture of the Trader Joe's hot cocoa and the Swiss Miss. Another one of our new items were these adorable Life of a Showgirl purse tassels. We got out all the orange, sparkly, glittery ribbon in our star trim with silver and gold, and we even had some like really pretty sparkly opalite star charms. We used tons of seam binding from MyScrapcabin Shop on Etsy, and trim that had like sheer stars on there, and just the orange and kind of like teal colors. I loved how these turned out. Swiftie or not, everybody loved these, and we'll definitely be bringing back tassels next year. Another new item this year, I had these cute craft window boxes from clearbags.com, and they turned out really cute. We put a little wreath around the hole that goes over the wine bottle and just put some caramels in there with paper shred, and actually they were quite popular at the craft fair. So we're definitely going to bring these back next year. And then we just found little stickers to put on the front. So they kind of look really like high quality, and you can gift this to somebody with apple cider or wine, and it would be a really cute Christmas gift. I'll go ahead and link those boxes below. This is probably my favorite new item that we did this year. Instead of the tea favors, we did tea samplers. And this gives you 3 bags of tea, 3 honey straws, and it's in a cute like vertical clear bag with a ribbon and a cute sticker. These were so easy and so much fun. We got the honey sticks off of Amazon, and the tea you can get at like World Market or Amazon as well. I'll link the stuff below, and they were so much fun to make and great stocking stuffers. Do you guys remember when I made the book club notepad folios? Well, I made those only in a Christmas theme, and they turned out so cute. I made so many. So next, I'm going to show you a tour of our displays and our booths. First up will be my mom's booth, then my sister Ginger's, then our cute little best friend, and I consider her a sister, Gloria's booth. She does craft fairs with us now. And then last, I'll show you a grand tour of the booth, the double booth that I do with my sister Bree. So we all have Etsy shops. My mom has her Etsy shop stocked, and so does Gloria. She has a cute little Etsy shop. I'm gonna link them below. I don't think my sister Ginger has much in her shop right now. She's working on getting those listed, but I'm gonna link everybody's Etsy shop below, and I'm so grateful for your support. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited to see you very soon with some holiday and Christmas videos coming up. Bye!